Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by setting up a professional Kaggle presence that recruiters can scan in 30 seconds. Once done, pick 2 domains where you can build depth and commit to a 3-month cadence, 2 notebooks per week and 1 competition per month. Make sure to pin representative notebooks and a concise profile summary explaining your impact. Explain why. Recruiters look for reproducible work, clear write-ups, and steady contributions, so prioritize quality and consistency over chasing every leaderboard. You now focus on execution. Deliver 3 end-to-end notebooks that show problem framing, exploratory data analysis, modeling choices, and business or research interpretation. Once complete, make each notebook fully reproducible by including requirements, random seeds, and clear data loading steps. You should also engage with the community. Comment thoughtfully on 10 kernels a week and publish helper functions or pipelines as open source code. This builds credibility, demonstrates collaboration skills, and surfaces your work to hiring managers. You finish by turning portfolio pieces into interviews. Create a 1-page portfolio listing 3 projects with impact metrics, links, and short takeaways. Once done, tailor your resume and LinkedIn summary to mention specific Kaggle projects and measurable outcomes. Use screenshots and concise bullets. Apply selectively and reach out to hiring contacts with personalized notes. If you get no responses, audit visibility, improve notebook titles, add tags, and increase targeted networking. That single change often unlocks recruiter interest.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.